everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you how I completed this quiet book page that I am making for my niece. And I always start off with laying everything out on Cricut Design Space. One, because the machine cuts it for me, which makes it way easier. And two, because I like to see where everything will be, the size of the shapes and stuff like that. And I will be doing a car and an airplane. I've seen other people do a car, an airplane, and a train or a bus, but I just decided to keep it simple. And here I'm just cutting out felt for what will be the road for the car. These round eyelets are from Michaels, and I use these to make holes in the fabric for my elastic to go through the back of the page. And you can either use eyelets or grommets, I believe that's what they're called. And the difference is that these eyelets are just one piece, whereas the grommets are going to be two pieces. I made sure to line them up, and then I used this tool to create a hole in my fabric. And then I just inserted the eyelet and secured them into place with the eyelet pliers. And to secure the plane into place, I cut out two pieces of felt, and you will sew one piece onto the back of the plane. So here I'm just grabbing the back piece of the plane and sewing that onto the felt. So now that that is sewed onto there, I grabbed the second piece of felt and the elastic cord, and I will sew that together. I was careful not to sew the actual elastic, or else you wouldn't be able to slide the plane throughout the elastic, so just make sure you're watching out for that. And same thing with the car, I sewed one piece of felt on the back of the car, and then I sewed the second piece of felt right on top, making sure to sew around the elastic cord. Lastly, to make sure that the elastic cord stays in place, I just made a knot and cut out felt and hand sewed 2 pieces of felt together with the elastic in the middle. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave any questions you have down below, and subscribe to the channel to see more craft related content. Thank you. See you next time.